Welcome to Gadget V. Our channel has crossed 100 subscribers, and today's video we are going to look at Chevrolet Camaro, which commonly known as Bumblebee. In Transformer movie, the Bumblebee is the main character of the movie, among all the Transformers. So we are going to review this car in this video, and this is the front look of this car. Kindly watch the video till the end. Let us start to unbox this car. This car has come in a very good package. MSZ has done a good job in this packing and all, and this is a patent licensed patent, and this is a sticker which it is proving that, and the car looks so nice. We will start to unbox the car. After unboxing the screws of this car, here's the thing. This car has come with the two opening doors, and the both the side doors opens very well, and detailing of the tire and the interior is so clear, and the headlamp is so nice looking, and the grill of the bonnet grill and the under cheese detailing and all, it's so nice. But the pullback mechanism of the car is working so good, our LFA, and our LFA has crossed 1500 views in 2 weeks of time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly support us by subscribing our channel and watch the video till the end.